let's just do like a fly, on the fly thing. Hey guys. Oh, it's all right. Hey guys, we're here in Denver with my buddy Troy. Hey Troy, man, what do you think about the Power Network and everything's going on, man?
Wow, there's a lot to say, but for consideration of your time, it's where you want to be, because when you can get around people who believe in something outside of themselves and their strength in numbers, when you have that powerful combination, that dynamic duo, so to speak, in belief and strength in numbers, because you're doing something outside of yourself, I think it speaks volumes to what we're actually creating here, because we all believe in something together. And when you do that, the sky's the limit, because you realize that you raise the bar, you raise your expectations, your standards about what you're actually trying to accomplish and achieve, and you really get what you deserve and desire in life when you strive for the biggest, highest, greatest, best version of yourself. I think when you surround yourself with these people with this energy, when you get around here in the flesh, everything transpires differently. And with that said, it's just so much easier to pick yourself up, believe in yourself even more when you get around so many people who are striving to become the best version of themselves, just like we all are. So,
what's the best month you had so far, my friend?
32,000 generated with Empowered. Results not typical, of course, but we've been consistent, and that's the one thing that I could press upon anybody is be consistent no matter what you're doing. Strive for the highest, greatest, best version of yourself, and be consistent in doing that, and I promise you, the grass is greener on the other side. So,
there's a beautiful lady over here. Say hi.
And have a beautiful lady by your side who supports and does almost everything better than you. That doesn't hurt either. So,
what's one tip you're gonna give to people at home?
What can I say for people? I say the best thing for us is to stay consistent, and I know that's what can work out for you. Stay consistent, do something to strive for the best version of you on a daily basis. Make sure to take daily action on the dreams that you have for yourself, and you're gonna see something positive come out of that.
Awesome.
Well said.
Awesome. You guys have a good day, man.
Yeah.
Peace out.